Hello everyone, this is Hassan Ahmed, Product Support Lead at WP Manage Ninja. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can solve the email piping problem from your side. First of all, go to the WP Manage Ninja dashboard. On there, you will find the email log, and from there you can see the every option regarding the email piping. So if I go to the email log, on there I can see that a few of the emails successfully created the ticket and two of them are skipped. So if I just open them, as you can see, the REST API restricted to the authorized user. That means there is an issue with the REST API, which is why the ticket wasn't created successfully. Also, if I open another option, so the issue is request failed to status code. That means there is anything issue with the server. So if you check the status on there, you will see a clear idea why this is not working, and you can solve the issue. The second is you have to check the REST API. I'm using a plugin called Disable WP REST API, and using this plugin you can disable the REST API on your side. If the REST API is disabled on your side, the ticket will not create. Just activate the plugin. After that, just copy the site URL and go to incognito mode and just write wp/json, and if I visit, you can see REST login required, message REST API restricted to the authorizer. That means the REST API is not enabled on my side. Email piping will not work in this case. Another reason would be your ticket is not creating through email piping, might be for the security plugin or server side security. In this case, make sure any of your plugin is not blocking anything like firewall or something else, or your server side security is not blocking the request. When user send an email, the email will send to the Amazon Lambda server, and from there Fluent support collect the email as a JSON format and it creates a ticket. And if your site has any security plugin or server side security is enabled, so it might prevent the ticket to create it. I hope those steps will help you to solve the problem. However, if you still face the issue, please open a separate ticket on the WP Manage Ninja. I'll put the link on the description and I'll get back to you on the ticket. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day.